It's said that dipping your hand into molten lead won't burn you, and there's even a story of a steelworker who once chopped through flowing molten metal with his bare hand. But how could metal heated to thousands of degrees burn your mouth but not your hand? To uncover the truth, Adam and Jamie decided to test it by dipping their hands into molten lead. But first, they needed to run a small-scale experiment to understand the science behind it. Adam used a blowtorch to heat a steel ball until it was red hot, then quickly dropped it into a tank of cold water. Using a high-speed camera, they observed that the moment the steel ball touched the water, it was instantly surrounded by a layer of vapor, preventing direct contact between the hot surface and the water. This phenomenon is known as the Leidenfrost effect. When a superheated object comes into contact with water, it creates a layer of steam that insulates it. Since gases conduct heat much slower than liquids, this vapor layer acts as a temporary thermal shield. So the question became, if you just wet your hand, can you touch molten lead without getting burned? Next, they placed solid lead into a furnace and heated it until it melted. After testing, the molten lead reached a temperature of 1337 degrees Fahrenheit. But understandably, both were hesitant about dipping their fingers in. No one wanted to end up with a roasted pig's trotter. So Jamie pulled out an 18-centimeter sausage. The idea was simple. If the sausage changed color after being dipped in molten lead, then a finger would definitely suffer burns. He moistened the sausage, dipped it briefly into the lead, then quickly pulled it out. Even though it was just a split second, the sausage showed slight discoloration and had bits of lead clinging to its surface. Repeating the test gave the same result. So now the big question was, if you did the same thing with your actual finger, would it end up cooked?